Hello and welcome everybody. Today we'll be seeing sums or problems on axial vibrations by using two methods, that is consistent mass matrices and lump mass matrices. So let's see the question. Find the natural frequencies of axial vibration for a bar shown in figure using one linear element by using consistent and lump mass matrices. So in this question we have to find out the natural frequency, that is omega, or you can say W. The question is related to axial vibration, so that is what is important. Also they have told us to find out by using consistent matrices, mass matrices and lump mass matrices, and to take only one linear element, right? So this is a diagram. It is fixed at one end, length is 1 meter, area is 30 millimeters square. Take capital E value 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square, and rho, that is density, equal to 7800 kg per meter cube. So this is the given question. Now what we'll do, we'll mark this diagram and as this full bar as one element, because it is given in question as we have to take one linear element. So we'll make it one element and we will mark two nodes, that is 1 and 2. Now what things are given here? L is equals to 1 meter, E is equals to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square, rho is 7800 kg per meter cube, area is 30 millimeter square, and one linear element is given. So if it is one linear element, so what will be the HE value? HE will be equal to your length of the element, that is 1 meter, because HE is nothing but the length of an element. So that is equal to total bar, because there here only one element is there. Now we'll start this sum. So first we'll use consistent mass matrix. Now the only difference, or you can say the difference in consistent mass matrix and lump mass matrix, is the EME equation, and other than that full method of solving the sum is remains same. So that is what we have to see. So we'll start with the consistent mass matrix. The EME, that is element matrix equation, is given by AE upon HE, H suffix E, bracket, that is matrices 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, U1 U2 equal to W square or omega square, rho A HE upon 6, matrices 2 1 1 2 U1 U2. So this is the equation, that is element matrix equation for consistent mass matrix, right? Now as we know that these area terms are same, that is 30 millimeter square, so we will cancel out each other and we'll put E value here 2 into 10 raised to 11, HE value as 1, this matrices as it is, U1 U2 as it is, W square, rho value as 7800, HE value as 1, 6 as it is, this matrices 2 1 1 2 as it is, U1 U2 as it is. Now what we'll do, we'll multiply this. So we'll put this 2 into inside this bracket, and what we do, this 7800, that is nothing but 7.8 into 10 raised to 3. This 10 raised to 3 and this 10 raised to 11 will cancel out each other. So what here it will come, 2 into 10 raised to 11, 2 will go inside matrices, and 7.8 divided by 6 will come out to 1.3, and this matrices as it is. So we'll simplify it, 10 raised to 8, 2 will go inside, 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, bracket U1 U2 equal to W square, 1.3 will go inside, so it will become 2.6, 1.3 1.3 2.6 U1 U2. Right? Now we will take this term on the right hand side to the left hand side. So here it is positive, it will become negative. So as it is, I have written 10 raised to 8, 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, U1 U2 minus W square 2.6, 1.3 1.3 2.6, U1 U2 equal to 0. Now what we will do, we will take this U1 and U2 common. So while using the property of matrices, and we will add these terms or subtract this sum basically. So how we will do it? 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus omega square into 2.6. So this is your first term. Next is second term. So minus 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus W square 1.3. So this is your second term. Third one is minus 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus W square 1.3. So this is your third term. And the fourth one is what? 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus W square 2.6. So this is your this term. Bracket U1 U2 equal to 0. Now we have to impose global boundary condition. Since here it is only one linear element, we don't have to form global matrix equation, right? So it is only one linear element. This EME will be my global matrix equation, right? So imposing global boundary condition, that is u1 is equals to 0, will put it here, right? And your equation, this equation will reduce to this term. So that is 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus 2.6 w square u2 equal to 0. How this happened? Whenever something like this happens, like for example u1 equal to 0 is there is a trick you can use here, that you can remove that column and that row from the matrices, and the remaining one will be equal to 0. So for example here u1 is equals to 0, this is on first row, right? So I can remove first row and first column, and we will write what is remaining, that is equal to 0. So what is remaining is 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus 2.6 w square into u2 equal to 0. So that is this term. Now as we know, for non-trivial solution, this bracket or determinant of this should be equal to 0, that is nothing but 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus 2.6 w square equal to 0. We will just simplify this, so we will get the answer as w as 8770.58 radian per second. This is nothing but the natural frequency for the given question by using consistent mass matrix. Now we will solve the similar thing by using lump mass matrices. Now the element matrix equation for lump mass matrix is given as AE upon HE 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 bracket u1 u2 equal to w square rho HE upon A HEA upon 2 matrices 1 0 0 1 u1 u2. So this is the EME equation for lump mass matrix. So what is the difference in consistent mass matrix and lump mass matrix is this term. This term we have to take it carefully. Here in consistent mass matrix it is w square rho A HE upon 6 matrices 2 1 1 2. Here in lump mass it is w square rho HEA upon 2 bracket 1 0 0 1. So this is the difference between consistent and lump mass matrix. Other than that, all the remaining part of this sum will remain same. We will cancel out A as it is. We will put E value 2 into 10 raised to 11, HE value as 1, this bracket as it is, this bracket as it is, rho value as 7800, HE value as 1 2, then bracket as it is and this as it is. 2 will go inside and this 7800 divided by 2. So this will be 7.8 into 10 raised to 3. This 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to 11 will cancel out each other. So 7.8 divided by 2 will be nothing but 3.9. So this is that term. Now this 2 will go inside this matrices. This 3.9 will go inside this matrices. So what will happen is this one. So 10 raised to 8 matrices 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 u1 u2 is equal to w square 3.90 3.9 u1 u2. Now 10 raised to 8 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 u1 u2, this term will go on the left hand side, so it will become negative. So minus w square 3.9 0 0 3.9 u1 u2 equal to 0. Now what we have to do, we will take this u1 u2 common, and by using the subtraction part of the matrices, that is the property of the matrices, we will add this term, basically subtract this term. So 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus 3.9 w square. So this is your first term, minus 2 into 10 raised to 8 in minus w square into 0. That's why this is, there is no term, only this one. Minus 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus w square 0. So this will become 0, only one term remains. And 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus 3.9 w square bracket u1 u2 equal to 0. Now again we will impose global boundary condition, that is u1 equal to 0, and your equation will reduce to only this one. Now again the same principle, if you have something like limit boundary condition like this, so you can remove that row and column from the matrices and the remaining part will be equal to 0. So if this is u1 is equals to 0, so I can remove this first row and that first column, and the remaining part will be equal to 0, that is nothing but 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus 3.9 w square u2 equal to 0. So for non-trivial solution, 2 into 10 raised to 8 minus 3.9 w square equal to 0. Just simplify it, you will get w answer as 7161.148 radian per second. So this is where you can find out the natural frequency for axial vibration using lump mass matrix. For more questions on lump mass matrix and consistent mass matrix, keep watching, subscribe to channel, stay tuned. Thank you.